Ever hit send and instantly regretted it? Don't panic. Gmail has a feature that can save you from embarrassing typos and accidental overshares. After you send an email, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small box that says message sent along with an undo button. This is your lifeline. But you need to act fast. Click the undo button immediately. This needs to be done within a few seconds of sending the email. The default setting is only 5 seconds, but we can change that later. Clicking undo will bring the email back to a draft form. Now you can correct your mistakes, remove the unintended recipients, or even delete the email entirely. Crisis averted. Want more time to react? You can adjust the send cancellation period in your Gmail settings. To do this, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. In the General tab, find the Undo Send section here. You can choose a cancellation period of 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Select the duration that best suits your needs. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. And there you have it. You now know how to recall an email in Gmail, giving you a crucial safety net for all your future communications. It's a simple trick that can save you from major headaches.